You're watching Camilla Ali TV.
So first step is to get whatever shirt you want to use to trace to make your pattern. Okay, so this is a shirt I made already. And all you gotta do is just fold it. And I already pinned it together, but you just fold it in half. So you want half of the shirt. And then all you gotta do is just trace around it. You just gotta trace around the top. I would use a pencil just in case you mess up and you need to erase anything. I would just use the pencil. But I'm just using a pen right now because I don't have a pencil in reach. And then just trace around it. And then you take it off, it looks like this. And then you could just fix it because it's not really even. I normally use like my curve ruler to fix like the neckline because this neckline is kind of not right. So I'm gonna fix it. That's why you should use the pencil. It's better to use the pencil to do this. That way you can get that way you can erase it and like kind of fix your lines. That's it. And all you gotta do next is cut it out. And then you'll do the same thing for the sleeve. Exact same way I did it. So I'll put the sleeve. I'm just gonna flip it this way. So I can do the sleeve. Sleeve. And you can actually put like little dots here. They can help you too. But you're just going to trace around it. Start here. Trace around your sleeve. Good. And then straighten your lines. your sleeve. Now you just cut it out. I didn't use the seam allowance because the fabric is stretchy. This is a fitted shirt. So you can add a little seam allowance if you're nervous about the fit. But mine's already had a seam allowance in it because I used the serger. So I didn't add an extra one. And also I'm using brown, the shipping paper that you get from the dollar store. I just find that it's easier to buy this for $1 than to get actual pattern paper. So yeah. So this is yours. I'm gonna use this for the front and the back. If you want to raise the neckline or lower it, you can just do that by hand. It's really easy. It's really a simple adjustment, so you don't really have to make a back and a front piece. Finish cutting this out. It's really simple, and I like making patterns for my own clothing because I already know how it fits me, and that way you can make more of the same top and don't have to keep making patterns. You can just use the one you made. So that's it. There's your sleeve pattern and your bodice pattern. And you actually can use this pattern and do other things with it. Like you can make a crop top. You know, you can make a crop top with it and like fold it in half. And you have a crop top. You can use this sleeve and make a short sleeve. All you have to do is just, you know, shorten it. You can make 3/4 length sleeve. You can do a lot with just these two patterns. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Until next time, bye guys.